Hi everyone, hope you have been enjoying your summer. Today I'm going to share with you one of the recipes I learned from my sister during my visit recently. Stir-fry shrimp and mixed vegetables. It's so delicious and it has become one of my family's favorites. And it's also easy to make. Let me show you the ingredients. I have 10 shrimp. You can use more or less. It's not going to change the recipe. We just need to season with a little bit salt and white pepper powder, as my sister did. You can use the black pepper. Let's give a mix. We're going to use 3 vegetables. 1 carrot sliced, not too thin. And my sister used the celtis. I couldn't find celtis, so I used the stem of bok choy, just a stem. You can also use celtis, celery, or like a stem of broccoli, and also black fungus, aka wood ear mushrooms. I just use a handful. This is a dry wood ear mushrooms. So I soak about 15-20 minutes. So the key, as my sister said, all the vegetables, they're very crunchy and you can, make your own choice. This is 4 cloves garlic chopped. Now we're ready to cook. I already heat up the pan to medium high and just add some oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Add a little bit of garlic. First, we're gonna cook shrimp. Take about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook shrimp, right? Wait till they're all pink. Okay, about 2 minutes. Let's take out the shrimp, set aside. Let's add a little bit more oil and the rest of our garlic. Followed by all our vegetables. Add a little bit of salt. And the wood ear, it's making noises. So to help soften the vegetable, you can add a little bit of water. So we're going to cook about a few minutes till vegetables getting tender. After a few minutes, let's add the shrimp back. Give a stir. Now we add the soy sauce, light soy sauce, a teaspoon, and oyster sauce. Stir it. Wow, beautiful color, isn't it?
Wow, smells great too.
Wow, looking so good.
Wow, looks great.
Smell even better. Cheers.
Cheers. Ah, that's delicious.
Isn't it?
Vegetables are perfect.
Crunchy.
Oh, shrimp.
As my sister said, all the vegetable, they have the crunchy texture. Of course, you can pick your own vegetables. As I said before, use broccoli stems or celery. And the color is great, right? Red, green,
Really?
black. But if you don't have black fungus, that's fine, skip it. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.